So I'm here with Fetty from Keco. So tell me about yourself. Whereabouts you come from?
So I'm from the U.S., from America.
Yeah.
I live in Pennsylvania,
Nice.
and just outside of Pittsburgh.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how long have you been here? Have you been here all week?
We got in early Monday morning.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you've been amongst the masterclass and stuff like that?
Yeah. So I came over to help Keco with the master class to make sure Bryce and Arlson had everything they needed. Equipped, yes.
Yeah, love that. Okay.
Yeah.
So has it been quite a busy day today with obviously people coming by, seeing what you do, etc.?
Yes, it really has. Really, anytime we're at a trade show with Keco, we seem to draw crowds.
Yeah,
so it's when we get ready to do a demo, it all fills in, and Italy has proven to be exactly the same.
Amazing. That's what we all want, isn't it? That's why we come to these shows.
That's why we're here.
I love that everyone has got the same passion, especially obviously when you come to trade shows like this. Everyone's got the same passion of whether it's big, small, or, so all sizes.
Yes.
I'm actually a big fan of Keco. To be fair, I've actually got loads of Keco stuff.
Oh, good. That's what we like to hear.
So
he was not paid for that endorsement.
No, sorry.
No, we're good.
So, what's one of probably your best sellers today? What are you selling mostly?
So the big rage the last couple of years has been lateral tension.
Yeah. Okay.
So newer in our system is our line of K powers, which is it will fold out of the way.
Yeah.
We just introduced Gen 2.
Okay.
So with that, we've made a big change to the legs, and instead of straight down, they kick out, which gives you, I'm not sure in centimeters or millimeters, but about 6 or 7 more inches of reach.
Yeah.
So the smaller tools act like bigger tools, and we've made the components tougher and easier to work on if something does go wrong.
And maybe a bit lighter, or not really?
So they're already pretty light compared to other tension on the market.
Yeah.
Very nimble, easy to set up tool.
Nice.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much your new product. Is there anything else that Keco are bringing out, maybe, on new products?
So if we're going to do a little sneak peek, give me 1 second, because we're doing a live debut today.
Thank you.
Yeah. Talking.
So, sneak peek.
Sneak peek for you.
Yeah.
I was actually setting the live video up when you walked over.
Nice.
We're introducing the new K-Power Mini.
Yeah, love that.
So we've had a lot of PDR technicians ask for a smaller, more portable version for like hail damage and deep door dings.
Okay.
So this is our smallest K-Power in the system.
Yeah.
Specifically designed to get in nice and tight and close to the sharp body line dents, and make them flow out and easier to fix.
Yeah.
So this may actually be the first time it's been recorded on video for the public.
Love that.
Yeah, so the new K-Power Mini is where it's going to be at.
I love it. Yeah, it's nice. It's good.
Yeah.
Nice and portable. I'd probably use that, to be fair. Yeah, I know exactly where I could use that. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, it's amazing.
It's good.
Yeah, so that's brand new.
I've actually got, the only lateral tension I've got is one of the longer the bars, obviously, and use it on a drill as well. So something like that would be perfect for my arsenal.
Yes.
Yeah, that'd be really good. That's
awesome.
Well, I apprecich your time today.
Thank you very much.
Lovely.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Cheers.